Tips and tricks for a great camping trip. Enjoying the great outdoors on a camping trip can be a lot of fun for the whole family or just an individual alone looking for a little R&R. The following video is full of great advice you need to know to make your next camping trip easier, more convenient and especially, more enjoyable. A good multi-purpose tool needs to be part of your camping gear. There are two kinds to bring. First is the saw/hammer/axe 3-in-1 tool to use for firewood and other chores. The other is the standard multi-purpose tool with a variety of tools on it like a can opener, tweezers, scissors, and a knife. To increase your sleeping experience while camping, bring a pad along that you can place under your sleeping bag. This pad acts as a barrier between you and the hard ground where twigs and tree knots may cause strange sleeping conditions. If a pad isn't handy, bring a few extra blankets that you can fold over on themselves to create some cushion. If you are traveling with children, give them the opportunity to assist you when you get to the campground. They can carry gear, support you as you set up the tent and look for firewood. Not only will it keep them busy and out of trouble, it will be fun for them as well. Avoid any wildlife you may come into contact with. Bears have become a fairly large problem with campers. In some parks they have been known to rip open the trunk of a car to gain access to food. Raccoons are also a big problem in many campgrounds. Not only are they smart and can gain access to your food supplies easily, but they can carry disease as well. Make sure you buy a tent that is big enough for your needs. Many people find themselves crowded in a tent for no reason. Tents are lightweight and very compact, so there is no reason not to have enough space when you buy a tent. Make sure you're buying for comfort. While camping, cook easy dinners like hobo stew. Simply bring potatoes, ground meat, and veggies. Cut the veggies and potatoes at your campsite. Using tinfoil like a bowl, put the ingredients inside and fold the foil over until the food is covered. Place foil on hot rocks or the coals of the campfire, and eventually you will have a tasty stew. What better way to spend your hard-earned vacation time than a stay in the woods by a campfire? Hopefully this video has shown you new and better ways of dealing with all the little challenges posed by roughing it, and will make your next outing all the more fun. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.